Credit Repair Cloud Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of Credit Repair Cloud. Links to everything mentioned are in the description below. Credit Repair Cloud is a professional-grade software designed for individuals and entrepreneurs looking to launch, streamline, or scale a credit repair business. It's not just a tool, it's an all-in-one platform that handles client onboarding, credit report import, dispute generation, progress tracking, and CRM management. Whether you're starting from scratch or already running a credit repair agency, this platform is built to simplify your workflow and improve client results. The standout features include automated credit report importing from all three bureaus, one-click dispute generation, an integrated customer portal, team management tools, secure cloud storage, and a training ecosystem that includes the Credit Hero Challenge and Masterclass. The system is highly scalable, from solo consultants to multi-user enterprises. One of its biggest strengths is how it blends automation with compliance, helping you follow industry standards while saving time on manual tasks. The interface is intuitive and support is solid, including live chat, community access, and ongoing updates. You also get white-label branding, allowing your company to look polished and professional from day one. However, it's not without weaknesses. First, it's not cheap. The starting cost might be high for newcomers, especially when you add credit report import fees. There's also a learning curve for those unfamiliar with the credit repair process or business operations. And while the training content is helpful, it does lean into upsells for courses and coaching programs. Still, if you're serious about building a credit repair business, Credit Repair Cloud delivers everything you need in one platform. It's ideal for aspiring credit repair entrepreneurs, coaches, and agencies that want a structured, legally sound, and efficient way to serve clients. To sum it up, this is a robust tool for pros who are ready to invest in long-term success. If that's you, check the links below to explore your options.